Looking to elevate your fishing experience? Choosing the right fishing kayak can make all the difference in your outings on the water. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, a quality fishing kayak provides the perfect blend of stability, maneuverability, and storage for all your gear. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best fishing kayaks on the market, offering insights into their features, benefits, and what to consider when making your selection. Get ready to cast your line with confidence. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Pelican Sentinel Angler Fishing Kayak. If your current fishing setup leaves you feeling more frustrated than fulfilled, the Pelican Sentinel Fishing Kayak could be just what you need. Designed specifically for passionate anglers, this compact kayak offers stability and security as you navigate your favorite fishing spots, whether you're casting for bass or hoping to reel in larger catches. With its multi-chine flat-bottom design, you'll enjoy reliable stability, even when a spirited fish bites. Weighing just 44 pounds and measuring under 10 feet in length, this kayak is easy to transport, eliminating the strain that often comes with hauling larger models. Your fishing gear will have its own designated spots thanks to molded carrying handles, accessory eyelets, paddle holders, and rod tie-downs, ensuring you stay organized and focused on the catch. The sit-on-top design allows for effortless entry and exit, so you won't struggle after a long day on the water. Constructed from durable Ramex material, the Pelican Sentinel supports up to 275 pounds, giving you plenty of space for gear and refreshments. Perfect for calm waters and slow-moving rivers, it glides smoothly, enhancing your overall fishing experience without a hefty price tag. Investing in the Pelican Sentinel means investing in countless enjoyable fishing adventures that will turn each outing into a memorable story worth sharing. At number 4, Perception Zip 9.5 Fishing Kayak. If you seek a stable and reliable kayak for your adventures on the water, the Perception Zip 9.5 is an excellent choice. Proudly crafted in the United States of America, it supports up to 325 pounds, providing ample capacity for you, your gear, and a few snacks for your journey. You'll love the thoughtful features designed to enhance your experience, such as the built-in cup holder, perfect for keeping your favorite beverage close at hand while you paddle. With self-draining scupper holes, this kayak keeps you dry, ensuring comfort throughout your outing. The generous rear storage area, complete with bungee cords, secures your belongings, allowing you to immerse yourself in the adventure without worrying about drifting items. The spacious cockpit is designed for paddlers of all sizes, making it accessible and comfortable for everyone. Transporting the Zip 9.5 is easy with its optimized handles, making your trip to the launch spot a breeze. When you're ready to pack up, the drain plug allows for quick and efficient cleanup by letting out any residual water. Whether you're exploring tranquil lakes or venturing into coastal waters, the Perception Zip 9.5 is crafted to support your journey. Just remember, if you're on the heavier side, it might be wise to leave some snacks behind. Grab your paddle and connect with nature. The water is calling. Number 3, we have the Pelican Catch Mode 110 Fishing Kayak. If you're searching for a fishing kayak that combines stability, comfort, and safety, the Pelican Catch Mode 110 is an excellent choice. Weighing only 67 pounds, this kayak is crafted from high molecular weight polyethylene, ensuring durability while remaining lightweight for easy transport. Its dimensions of 10 feet 8 inches mean you can maneuver it effortlessly to your favorite fishing spot. The innovative tunnel hull design provides exceptional stability, allowing you to confidently stand up while casting lines or reeling in your catch without worrying about tipping over. The wide, flat deck platform adds to your security, making it easy to enter and exit. Comfort is paramount when spending long hours on the water, and the Ergo Boost seating system enhances your experience. With adjustable seating options and a soft ethylene vinyl acetate seat pad, you can find your ideal position for a better view and greater comfort. There's even underseat storage for your gear, keeping everything organized and within reach. Your safety is a top priority. The kayak meets or exceeds American Boat and Yacht Council standards thanks to the added flotation in the hull. With a weight capacity of 375 pounds and 3 flush mount rod holders to keep your fishing rods accessible yet out of the way, the Pelican Catch Mode 110 is designed to elevate your fishing experience and ensure you make the most of your time on the water. At number 2, Perception Pescador Pro 12 Fishing Kayak. If you're searching for a fishing kayak that strikes the perfect balance between affordability and performance, the Perception Pro Pescador 12 is an excellent option. Measuring 12 feet in length, this kayak offers a great mix of maneuverability and ample space for all your gear, including that 5th tackle box you can't fish without. Comfort is crucial for those long days spent on the water, and the Pro Pescador is designed with this in mind. Its adjustable padded seat ensures you can sit comfortably through extended fishing sessions without any discomfort. With an impressive weight capacity of 375 pounds, you can easily bring along all your essentials, snacks, gear, and even a cooler filled with your favorite drinks without concern. Weighing in at 64 pounds, this kayak is sturdy enough to handle choppy waters while remaining manageable for transport. You'll find plenty of storage options, including upright rod holders and spacious front and rear compartments, giving you the flexibility to organize everything you need for a successful fishing trip. While some high-end kayaks may boast extra luxury features, the Pro Pescador 12 stands out as a practical choice that doesn't compromise on performance. Discover the reliability and quality of the Pro Pescador 12 and embark on your next fishing adventure with confidence. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Old Town Sportsman PDL 106 Pedal Fishing Kayak. If you're on the hunt for the perfect fishing kayak, the Old Town Sportsman PDL 106 could be your ultimate water companion. Weighing in at just 107 pounds and made from durable single-layer polyethylene, this pontoon-style kayak ensures a stable and quiet experience, ideal for hands-free fishing adventures. The innovative forward-reverse pedal drive allows you to navigate effortlessly, leaving your hands free for casting and reeling in your catch. Designed with your convenience in mind, the Sportsman PDL 106 features customizable accessory tracks, enabling you to personalize your setup according to your fishing needs. The cushioned floor pads offer enhanced comfort and grip, while the included custom tackle box keeps all your fishing essentials organized and within reach. Additionally, the universal transducer mounting system makes it easy to attach your preferred fish finder, enhancing your fishing experience. You'll appreciate the premium mesh seat that provides excellent lumbar support, ensuring you stay comfortable even during long hours on the water. It adjusts to fit your leg length, promoting optimal paddling posture. With a maximum capacity of 450 pounds and a usable capacity of 343 pounds, the Sportsman PDL 106 accommodates both you and your gear effortlessly. Enhanced with non-slip ethylene vinyl acetate foam deck pads for traction, dedicated storage for rods and tackle, this kayak is engineered to elevate your fishing trips, whether in serene lakes or flowing rivers. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which fishing kayak you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.